So hello friends. So thanks to my good friend subscriber Infinite Girish. Thank you for a beautiful link. I will tag you also along with thought. See what Girish gave me. Suddenly it struck me. Thought that Tesla used to say that 369 are the keys to the universe. Now if you see the remaining portion, if you see this diagram, this is 2478, right? This is 9, this is 3, and this is 6. But we also have 8, we have 1 here, we have 8 here, we have 7 here, we have 2 here, we have 4 here, and we have 5 here. So 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2. They are actually, if you draw a line, they are creating the other two pyramids. Now suddenly when I saw this diagram, I'm sure the other guys would have already noticed this, but I don't know why suddenly I noticed it today. So let me open a new PPT. I'll open a new blank PowerPoint. I'll make this video in Hindi also. Okay. And now on top of this, you see this. The first one was better, that was slightly bigger. If you see, this is a central pyramid. This is the central pyramid. This is the left pyramid. This is the left pyramid. And this is the right pyramid. So, which means the ancients knew how to construct pyramids, and below pyramids also there are below pyramids also. I mean below the surface of this, in such a way that they conduct energy. So that is the hypothesis. Because three. So earlier I used to think, what is this Tesla coil? What is this? I used to think. Now I understood. When Girish gave me this, immediately I understood, and that is why you have G and Freemasons symbol. It is the same. Even Freemasons, they have the same thing. So this is not a compass or something. This is actually that pyramid. If you see Freemasons, they also have this knowledge, right? Which Tesla is saying the same thing. Even Freemasons are saying. That means Freemasons know how to construct things, right? Which they call as G. The eye of providence. So you construct something, and then on top of that you create an eye, because this eye is connected to the God or Ark of Covenant. The Ark of Covenant, also known Ark of Testimony or the Ark of God, is a purported religious storage chest and relic held to be most sacred for the Israelites. It is seat of mercy. According to Book of Exodus and First Book of Kings, the Hebrew Bible and Old Testament, the ark contained the tablets of the law by which God delivered the 10 commandments to Moses. So now I am assuming actually more than that, it is a pillar of light, which they want to activate the arc of reactor. And this is what arc reactor, it is there in Marvel Cinematic Universe. Arc reactor is a fictional power source designed by Howard Stark to replicate the Tesseract's energy. Okay. So in Avengers, they have this Tony's arc reactor based on Tesseract. So it is designed in such a way. See, this is the inverted pyramid. So now I am getting why they were obsessed with pyramids and why they are obsessed with this a specific form of pyramid. So that means the elite know how to create free energy. Look at this. Again, it is like a the obelisks. The obelisks are conductor of energy. And in various parts of the world, you have star forts, right? Bastion fort. So these star forts all over the world, they are also related to this technology what Tesla was saying, 369 technology. So now I understood. So if you go back to the original diagram, so you have to use this principle and maybe using high beam light, it has to hit on these points and then it keeps on moving, it keeps on hitting and then finally it converges and then it creates a beam of light, and that beam of light then it is connected to other reactors across the world. That is what I am. See, I am not an electrical engineer, but I am just trying to use my common sense. So you start somewhere and then it keeps on hitting, bouncing at certain points, and then finally it becomes a concentrated piece of light, and then it goes out, and then that is connected to the remaining pyramids. That is why it is called key to the universe. So you just have to know how to generate that or how to start it and how to hit it. And that is why this key to the universe of Tesla is same as pyramids. And this is what I think is there in CERN also. In CERN also you have see truncated octahedron. If you see again it's a pyramid. I hope you are understanding why it is like a schematic view of this is copper, I think, 6 octahedron. So that means CERN is actually a place of generating energy. So I am right. Okay. So it is octahedron. So that pyramid is was a conductor of electricity, or it was a doorway. It was also a stargate. And now I am understanding why they are obsessed about Ark of Covenant. Okay. Let me see if I have any questions. Otherwise, I'll make a Hindi video on this. So Tesla's coil. Okay, I had to show Tesla coil. Why it is coming like this? See again, it is that pillar. Tesla coil. Science project. So children are also doing this. Doomsday mini magic Tesla coil. Oh, oh. Hmm. Okay. So you have to use some kind of laser beams or light or moving parts, maybe some mechanical energy and all that, if we have to replicate the key which is there, this key, and that is why it is constructed like this. I understood.